everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope we're doing well. So in today's story I'm gonna show you this dramatic glam purple makeup look. I really love this look and I hope that you enjoy much as I did. So if you wanna see how I got this look, stay tuned and let's get started. So for today's look, I'm going to start off from the eyes, and to start off I applied a piece of tape in the outer corners of my eyes to help me to create the shape of my makeup look. And next I'm going to use a eyeshadow base. I'm using today the eyeshadow base Paint Pot by MAC in the shade Soft Ochre. Next, I'm gonna apply a black eyeshadow in the other corner of my eyes, and this is Noir by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really like this black shade because it's very pigmented, as you can see here in the camera, and it's a very good shade. So I don't have to apply any black base using the eyeshadow. I just pat the eyeshadow in the other corner where I want, and then I blend the edges. In my crease, I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow Electro, also by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really like this purple shade. It's a pinkish purple shade. It's so beautiful, and this color has some blue reflect on it. It's amazing. So I'm back with the black eyeshadow, and now I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow in my crease. Next, I'm gonna back with the eyeshadow base that I was using before, and this is Soft Ochre by MAC. And so I'm gonna clean up the eyelid with a concealer brush, and so I'm gonna create a beautiful space to apply the next colors. Now in the other corner beside of the black, I'm gonna apply this beautiful bluish purple shade, and this is Rain Check by Modibis Cosmetics. I really love this color. It's a kind of purple but more to the blue side, and match really well with the color Electro by Anastasia Beverly Hills that I'm gonna apply beside of this color. When I apply Electro in my eyelid, I'm gonna leave a little space in the inner corner of my eyes to apply this gorgeous shade. It's one of my favorite shades to highlight as well, and this is Nylon by MAC. So I'm gonna just remove this piece of tape and clean my face a little bit. I just applied the Fake Lashes Athena by 80s Beauty. I apply it off of camera. And also the glitter that I use it is Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay, and I just apply it to give some effect in this makeup look. And now I'm gonna do my skin. First thing I'm gonna apply is the Skin Moisture Mist by MAC Cosmetics, and next I'm gonna apply the foundation. I'm using Lock It by Kat Von D, and I'm gonna use the shade Light Cool. But when I applied this foundation in my skin, I used a few drops of the Rose Gold Elixir by Caprielli, and I feel like this foundation oxidized a little bit. Next, to highlight my face, I'm gonna apply the Concealer Prolonger by MAC, and this is the shade NC15. It's a very light shade. As you can see, here's a big contrast between the foundation shade and the concealer, but that's okay. Once you blend, everything will be alright. Next, I'm gonna just set everything with the powder, and today I'm gonna use Translucent powder by Mercier. Next, to contour my face, I'm gonna use the Cocoa Contour by Too Faced, and I really love these colors. This Cocoa Contour is amazing. So I'm gonna start off applying this lightest contour shade in my face, and I'm using a blush brush to apply this product. So I'm gonna contour all the areas that I want to make appear slimmer. And next, I'm gonna apply blush. I'm using Nifra Aura by Sigma, and I'm gonna apply this blush with the same brush. For highlighter today, I'm using a eyeshadow, and this is Nylon by MAC. And now moving on to my lips, I'm gonna apply the lip contour by Giorgio Cosmetics, and this is the shade Ecstasy. The liquid lipstick that I'm gonna use today is also the shade Ecstasy by Giorgio Cosmetics as well. You can use my code MelissaJC for 30% off. I really love this product, and also the highlighters are so good from GiorgioCosmetics.com. So if you're interested in get something, make sure to use my code. Stay pretty and save money. And for the lip scrub, I'm gonna use Mystical by Huda Beauty. It's a very nice shade and goes on really well with this makeup look. So that's it for this look, my lovies. I really hope that you enjoy. I love this makeup look and I hope that you enjoy much as I did. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't, hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news when I upload it. Also like this video if you did. Follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of my work. And that's it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!